gozirim omendirom vamnanya Yano sorom kele chineke Onye gozirim omendirom vamnanya Agamayo barani.
Okay, my people, welcome to my channel. So here I'll be showing you how to use Suno AI to make your music video where you can upload on Spotify, on your Apple Music, so you can make music. Here you go to audio, you can see, just make sure you're looking to my mouse. So after opening your Suno, this is how your Suno AI is going to look like. After opening this, you're going to click on audio. First of all, you go to custom because you want to use your language voice. You go to custom, then you can see this one is we have audio, we have persona, and we also have inspo. But what we are focusing right now is on audio. Then we have the lyrics where you can write your lyrics, and we have your music style. Once you're done with your music, now what we want to do now, we want to record our voice. We want to record our voice. By recording our voice, now we're going to click record. Here you can record your voice instead of using lyrics. You can just record your voice here by clicking this red button. After clicking the red button, the next thing you're going to do now is to record the voice. For instance, I'm going to show you how to record your voice, for instance. So after recording your voice, you can just come here and click record. Then here is the kind of sample of songs I've made. These are sample of songs I've made. This is my song. This is one of my songs I recorded. So this is my song, which is one of my songs I recorded. Very nice. But I can't play it right now because you guys are going to laugh me. Okay. So that's the kind of sample of song I made. Now the next one, now I'm going to show you guys how to record your own voice. Your own voice. Now I'm going to try to record myself, although I've already recorded myself before. So I'm going to record myself. Try to record myself so you guys can, I want this to be more practical. I'm going to record myself so you guys can see how it works. So you guys can learn from my mistake. I don't want to do the same mistake. So now I'm recording my voice right now. You can see I'm recording my voice, trying to, say something on the mic so that I can use it on the Suno AI. So after you've done recording, you can now come and click save. Then you're going to download on your workspace directly. But right now I'm not recording, so I'm going to hit the cancel button. So I'm going to stop it for now. Then go back to the ones I've recorded. This is the song I recorded before. This one I recorded before in my own language. So once you are done, it's already your workspace. You come to click that three dots. After clicking the three dots, you come to where you see cover. Look at that my button. You're going to click cover. After clicking cover, you're going to click cover. Then once you click hit cover, you're going to take you to the next page, where you're going to see this option. Once you click cover, this is going to appear. Now you can see that the wave of my song. Now the lyrics already generated for me. The song already generated for me. Now it's going to ask me for the style that I want in my style that I want in my music video. It's going to ask me for the type of style that I want. So I'm going to, this song I did here right now is kind of gospel music and in my own language, which is African gospel music. So I'm going to use African gospel music here as my style. The voice I already used already generated the lyrics for me with my voice. Now I'm going to give the music a style, which is the African gospel or Nigerian gospel. Okay. Now the next thing I'm going to do now is to scroll down. After scrolling down, then I'm going to see the advanced setting. If you are not subscribed, you can use this other setting that I'm trying to explain. You only need to be subscribed to order to access this button. So the weirdness, I'm going to reduce this to 10. I've tried 50 before, but it's so awkward. So now right now I'm going to reduce to 10. Then the readiness is going to be, I'm going to take that one to 100. Then this other option, I'm going to take it to 100 as well. So that's going to give me exact voice. You know what I mean? So the next thing I'm going to do now is to click this other button if I want to use a female voice or a male voice. Right now I'm using a male voice, so I'm going to click on male because I'm using a male voice. If you are a female, you can also use female. So right now I'm a male voice, so I'm going to use male voice. The next thing I'm going to do is to hit create. Once I hit create, then I'm done. My music is ready, So once I hit the create button, my music will be ready for me, which I can use on any platform. I can use on Apple Music, I can use on Audiomack, I can use on Boomplay, I can use on Spotify, any music platform. You can see I have 2,500 credit already. So this is what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna come down here and click the create button. Once I click the create button, then my music is ready to be monetized. You can monetize your music where you can start earning when people are listening to your music, and start earning when people are listening to your music. So that's it about then that's all. Then you can just scroll down here. Now our music is being generated. I think it's almost done. Now here is the kind of music I generated. Listen to the song I generated. So thank you. If you watch my video up to this point, please make sure you subscribe and share this video with your friends for more updates. More videos will be coming. More videos will be coming. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can be encouraged to post more videos. Thank you guys for joining my channel. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. If you are, depending on where you are watching my video from, let me know where you are watching my YouTube video from. Let me know where you are watching from. Is it from? Tell me the country you are watching from so I can post more content. And make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thanks and bye for now.